Looking to satiate your sweet tooth? Come on down to Francisco's Bakery in Kennewick. Mexican baked goods wait next to familiar American-style treats in this shop, allowing customers to have whatever treats they're in the mood for. Here at Francisco's, you can have your cake and eat it too.
They have very delicious donuts. They have so many different pastries.
There's a good bakers around here, but there's something about these donuts, they're just unique.
Me gusta ver el pan y luego la amabilidad de la persona como te atienden aquí. Te sientes a gusto como si estuvieras en tu casa.
If you're looking for something delicious, something sweet, you're at the right place.
We have a lot of different choices for people to come in and taste, yeah.
Owner and baker Francisco Mejia makes sure his array of treats never runs low. That way, no customer leaves empty-handed.
We cater to the Hispanic community and we cater to the Anglo community and everything in between. Our community here is a lot of ethnicities, people from different countries.
It's a melting pot.
Yeah, a melting, exactly. It's an opportunity for everybody to, hey, look what you have, and they taste, and that's how everything is done here, yeah.
Every day before work, we just stop by, get a donut, get a piece of bread, good coffee, and head out to work.
My coworkers love the donuts, so anytime we need donuts, we come here.
I love what I do, and when you hear people that are really pleased with the stuff you do, that kind of like fills your cup, that you just feel happy about doing what you're doing. And that's what it's all about, I love baking. I've been baking for that long, and it's just fun. To me it's fun.
Lots of love.
Yeah, lots of love.
yeah.
Of course.
Stay tuned because later in the show, Francisco and I will make some special homemade apple fritters.
And here you go. This is the finished product.
Look decadent.
The delicious apple fritters from Francisco's Bakery.
I love it.
We're back at Francisco's Bakery in Kennewick. Every morning, familiar faces walk through the door to get their daily treats and coffee before work. With all the rave reviews, it's obvious that Francisco's is special and that it's a staple of the community here in Kennewick.
Every time I come here in the morning, I get my coffee, I get my bread, I get to take a break for like 10 minutes and go back to work.
Todos los jueves paso por aquí por mi café y el pan.
Just friendly atmosphere, happy vibes, and just delicious treats.
We see people from banks, factories. I have towing companies. I have rental companies. I have all these guys stop by. I have, they're all stop here. This morning we have 8 police cars parking on the front, and they were all here eating our stuff. People come here and they love what they buy here. Yeah.
Time to see some of these goodies for myself.
We have our traditional conches.
Okay.
They come with a variety of different colors, white, chocolate, pink, and yellow. We have the cortadillo. It's like a cake, and we put the buttercream and roll icing frosting on it. It kind of goes in every tray, kind of type thing. Yeah.
Nice.
We have pumpkin empanadas, a little bit darker this morning because we have
Forgot about them.
Yeah, forgot about them in the oven. A lot of varieties for all the taste. We enjoy everything that the community produces. We use blueberries from our local farms. We use apples, that we put in our delicious apple fritters.
Yeah.
We love to be here, and enjoy everything.
So what are you and I going to make today?
We're gonna make some apple fritters.
Apple fritters.
Yep.
Washington apples.
Washington apples.
Okay.
Granite Smith apples.
I can't
Grown
wait.
in Washington.
Good. I have heard that your apple fritters are the best around.
They are the best. We use fresh apples because we like how they taste when we cook them, and people love them. Yeah.
Well, people are missing out if they're not using fresh apples, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Why do you like Granny Smith for this type of thing?
The Granny Smith has the little sour taste. It's a good apple when you cook it on the dough because you put the glaze on it, and it's a perfect combination with everything.
This is a very big knife.
Yeah. we need a big knife to do all day. We make them every morning, so
Yeah.
they gotta be fresh.
And you're so lucky to live where you live to have these apples
Oh,
just
yeah.
like down the street.
Yep.
We put the apple slices onto the dough and add cinnamon, then fold the dough over and chop it up.
So this is where you get your aggressions out.
Oh yeah.
So just like this.
Just chop. Chop, 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 chop.
To have some
Yeah.
muscles for this, don't you? Yeah.
You see the dough start getting a little sticky
Yeah.
because the juice of the apple start
okay.
getting in it, and that gives them not just flavor, makes the apple frito crusty. Yeah, when you fry
That
it.
sounds
Yeah,
like my kind of
so-
apple fritter.
Yeah.
We let them proof, then put them in the fryer. Finally, we glaze them.
And here you go.
Those
This is the finished product.
look
The
decadent.
The delicious apple fritters from Francisco's Bakery.
I love it.
Wow.
Oh my word. Oh yeah.
You can't get them any better than that. Nice and warm
Crispy on the outside.
and crispy on the outside.
Those apples are
Yeah.
amazing. Delicious. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Almost too good.
To get the recipe for Francisco's apple fritters, visit us at wagrown.com.